We're finally back in Düsseldorf. We're finally back at Drupa after many, many years. I'm at the Canon stand, super large, more than 4,000 square meters. And for the first time ever, we have dedicated a complete area to labels and packaging. The reason why we're doing this is because we want to show to everyone visiting here our commitment to the packaging, to the label and packaging industry, on wanting to become a reliable partner to all the converters out there. What we have here on the stand, it's a combination of different products. So we are showing what we can do today, what is coming in the near future, and what is a little bit further down the line. We're trying to cover most of the label and packaging segment. Of course, we have products for the label industry, but we're also showing solutions for folding carton and corrugated printing. How are we doing this? Well, first of all, we have the LabelStream LS2000. This is our brand new label press, and it's being shown for the first time outside of Japan. Following this, we have a beautiful, wonderful finishing line for folding carton coming from Idel, which is a Canon company. And ultimately, we're showing a corrugated printing concept that will come in the near future. Having said this, I would love to see you coming here. Beside this wonderful product, we have a team of experts, people that carry expertise in all of these segments, and we would love to talk to you and see what we can do together.